When we worked on designing Rising, we wanted to make the best monitor arm, but also provide selection and versatility that was unrivaled in the marketplace.
We wanted this arm to be both functional and extremely versatile. So that began the challenge of how do we create not only a fresh new form, but one that would also be a natural evolution in our product design language.
And for the first time, the team said, why don't we put the monitor arm on the materials table? And that was the start and the genesis of this idea of bringing a monitor arm to market that not only functionally worked, but could actually enhance the environment that it was in. And that's something that we got really excited about. It has innovation, design, and selection that outpaces the entire market.
Once the industrial design work was complete, we shifted our focus to the engineering. Our main goal was to make this arm easy to assemble and easy to use. This all stems from the development of SnapKinect technology. Every component in this arm can be assembled and disassembled in a matter of seconds, giving the user ultimate control. This also makes adapting and reconfiguring your arm easier than any other product like it. When your arm can be built or transformed with the push of a button, you suddenly have ultimate flexibility, essentially making your workspace future-proof. Adding components, additional monitors, or accessories becomes effortless, allowing you to react to changes in the office or work environment. We've also built in a proprietary feature we call RotationStop. The unique RotationStop feature allows the user to easily access and adjust its 14 stop locations at any time, without having to dismantle the arm assembly or find a tool every single time they want to make an adjustment. This arm is functional, it's flexible, and it's been built with the quality that you can expect from a Fellows engineered product.
We're so excited to be launching our Rising product line. It's unrivaled in the marketplace, and we believe that it's going to add a lot of value to our dealers, to our customers, and to the end users.